Today's question comes from Kevin in Tampa, Florida. Here we go, Kevin. I own a short-term rental property and I have self-managed through AirBNB and VRBO. How should I be tracking the income and expenses for my CPA? Well, it's a great question, Kevin. Short-term rental properties have quickly become a very popular investment category and can provide great returns on your investment if they are run correctly. For proper accounting, make sure you use a separate bank account for each property, as this allows you to isolate each property's activity and keep the accounting clean. So when it comes to accounting for short-term rental properties, there are a few options to consider. QuickBooks Online is the industry standard for accounting software, but maybe a little bit of overkill for a single short-term rental property. QuickBooks Online is a full-service accounting software used by businesses with significant volume of transactions. Short-term rental properties typically only have 5 to 10 transactions a month, so you may not need a full accounting suite like QuickBooks Online, although it is an alternative if you already have it or you know how to use it. Excel is a great option as well. I'll link a spreadsheet that I use down below, and I have had a number of clients use it. It's a simple spreadsheet that tracks your transactions and categorizes them and then summarizes them into a separate sheet for your CPA, and it's worked out really well. Another online alternative is a website called Stessa, and this is an accounting software specific for vacation rental properties, and they include a dashboard that I really like. It includes your portfolio value, your asset appreciation, your occupancy rate, plus the normal income and expense activity, and you can add multiple properties. Again, I'll link that down below. That's called Stessa. ReiHub is another great accounting software designed exclusively for property owners. It links up your AirBNB and VRBO or VRBO activity and then categorizes your income and expense activity into a single sheet that you can then provide to your CPA. It's a great alternative, and it links everything up, which is really nice. It kind of takes some of the manual preparation off of you. So those are a few of the options for short-term rental property owners. Documentation is key, so make sure you keep those receipts and you document all of your income and expenses. If you have any questions you'd like to discuss, please head over to our website, askacpa.co, and leave a question for us. Thanks again for watching, and we appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.